Page object model testing using Facebook cookies. After login, you need to use cookies if you want to test something different. So in login we use lot of testing in the login page, and all the tests actually pass. And we write almost 10 test cases. We test everything, button and but profile page is different. So we need to in the profile page, if we go to that profile, we need to test in that page that message button exists or not. We need to test that. So for that I write a test cases profile page. So go there and like login page, we test lot of button and other things in there. But in that case we go to the profile page, some profile page, and test is there is that message button exist or not. So if we run that, so it go there and then it go to the profile and see the button is there or not, and it pass. The reason we don't see that because we close the browser early. So let me run that things again, so you'll get an idea how. So before is go to the login page, you see it's go to the facebook.com page, then it's load the cookies, then it go to the profile page and it tests the button is there or not, and if it is there it pass. So let me close the browser. So we must when we write lot of test cases, we must tear down the browser, so we can. So what is the difference between that login page and that profile page? What is the difference between that two? So in login page, you see we have first 3 lines. We load the base URL, which is facebook.com. After that we need to load cookies, and after that we need to load the profile page URL. So cookies location, here is the cookies location, and here is the profile page URL. The URL we just show. So the problem is not the write the test cases. Test cases can be write down very easily, like before you saw that. But how you actually grab the cookies? In that video I am going to show you how you do that, how you grab the cookies. So the cookie grabbing is very simple process. We are using a library to grab cookies. So let me cut it down, cut the other things, we don't need that. We need the profile pages and testing profiles and that. So in that cookies script we'll use pickle. So what pickle do? Pickle collect the cookies from given pages and save it, and later it can help, uh, it can load the cookies also. That's what pickle do. So if we just comment down that things, and we need to load cookies. Okay, we need to load that cookies. So if we run it, you will get an idea how it's work. So it go to Facebook pages and then it load the cookies. We didn't see how it loaded, but it go to the perfect pages. So the way cookies work, before you load cookies, there have to be a URL. In our case it is facebook.com. okay, after that it will load. So that's why I am writing that script. So what it does, it go to the pickle and load, and it also delete. There is some, that line is not necessary, but it delete if there is unnecessary other cookies and other things, it also delete that. Then we go to facebook.com. There must be, you can go anywhere, you can write google.com and other things. Then it load the cookies. So that's what it does. So that thing is similar to our test cases, but let me comment down that things. So our task is not to load actually. Our task is to save the cookies. So how are we going to save the cookies? It is very simple. Actually it is very simple. So save cookies just need 2 lines. Pickle dump get cookies and a location, and you define the location, cookies location here. You see? So location, it's a parameter. See, it's a parameter, location. So we are using that save function in there. So there is a driver and there is the location, that location, okay, and that located text file, nothing else. So let me show you. It's a conventional way. You go to the facebook.com, you write your email and password, and you go to the mail feed, password feed, and log in, and after login you just save the cookies. That's the simple process. So let me show you how you do that. So you will run the script. It's go there and it's using your Facebook login password, and it's make the login. When you enter your 2-factor authentication, it will work. So yeah, so that save browser, actually it's a cookie things. You need to save the browser, you see, because cookie actually save the information also, and that information also you don't want to you don't want any notification or something like that. So after that, when you done all those things, now your browser information, your login information, all those things actually in the browser. So when you press the key, it actually save all those information in the location, in that location. So how you actually save the cookies. Okay, so after saving the cookies, you can go there and doing your stuff. You need to load the cookies also. Okay, so loading the cookies. Sometime you need to delete the cookies, but I am not going to do that in here. So if you go there now, it will using the save cookies. So go to Facebook, load the cookies, and go to the direction. So the same things we are going to use in our script. You see, in the profile page, we load the cookies. Okay, load the cookies. So for cookies, we actually use that class way, so we can do that things. So yeah, we can add that things. Okay, so profile page and cookies. Okay, location. So because of that, we are loading that cookies. Because of that, now if we run the test cases for profile pages, it will work, because it's go to the Facebook pages, it's load the cookies, and then go to the profile pages or some other pages, in your case what you write, and it tests the conventional way. So I hope that makes sense, and now you can write the cookies, you can produce the cookies before you actually use it, and you can do that things in your location, and from that location you call it, and the whole process make sense to you actually. So I hope that will help you to understand how cookies work, how you can save it, how you can call it, and how you can use it to write your test cases.